Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here we have to find the privacy protection. Now let's scroll down and tap on special permissions, and here we have to find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to, the Antutu benchmark is allowed to install some content. So if you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow maybe, I don't know, the contacts to download and install something, then all you have to do is to simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. As you can see, we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put the data on your device on risk. So you have to tick this option that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is active, and after getting back we can see that the contacts are from now on allowed to install something. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, and you can turn it off also. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and after getting back the contacts are not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.